Welcome to the future of home living, where every outlet is intelligent. Control your devices from anywhere. With just one tap, meet the smart plugs. Compact, powerful, and ready to connect. One strip, total control, smart power for every corner. Save energy, stay safe. Automate your lifestyle, your home, your rules. Smart tech that listens.
Hey everyone, welcome to New Tech Pro channel. Today I will show you 3 smart devices for your home. I have a 2 smart Wi-Fi plug and 1 smart Wi-Fi power strip. They help you control your electronic from your phone. This is a first smart plug. It's small and easy to use, and this is the second model. As you can see, I has a different shape but works the same. You just plug into the wall and connect your device. This is a smart power strip. It has a multiple socket, you can see, and you can control each socket separately from the app. It's great for your desk, TV or kitchen setup. Let me show you the app on my phone. Here you can turn a device on or off. You can also set timer and schedule. It's work with both Android and iPhone. Okay, my friend, as you can see here, this is application for this device. For my Android phone, application like this. To connect, just open the app and follow the step. Make sure your phone is connected to your home Wi-Fi modem. Then press the button. You can see here, press the button here, or for example this plug here on the plug, and wait for the light. It's connect to your modem in less than 1 minute. You can also use voice control with the Alexa or Google Assistant. Some models show energy usage inside the app. They help you save power and stay safe. These smart plugs and power strips are easy to use. They make your home smarter and more comfortable.
Turn your devices on or off from anywhere. Total control right from your phone. Set schedules for your devices. Wake up to a warm room or turn off lights automatically. Monitor energy use and reduce waste. Smart plugs help you save electricity every day. Protect your electronics with built-in safety features. Smart power means peace of mind. Use your voice to control everything. Works with Alexa and Google Assistant. Control multiple devices with one tap. Group them, name them, and manage easily. Activate travel mode to simulate presence. Keep your home safe while you're away. Get instant notifications. Know when devices turn on or when energy usage spikes.